5 times a day. I like to pray 5 times a day. I pray at Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. I pray at Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. I like to pray 5 times a day. I like to pray 5 times a day. When I wake up in the morning, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I say is Alhamdulillah. The first thing I say is Alhamdulillah. I praise Allah for beautiful sky. I praise Allah for beautiful sky. Alhamdulillah, 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 Alhamdulillah.